What time do ally transfers post? Intro. Hey there, you've just found the perfect ally transfer, but you're not sure when to expect the post. Hook. Have you ever been sitting at your computer, refreshing ally's transfer page every few minutes, desperately hoping to see that new listing you've been eyeing? We've all been there. Building context. Ally transfers are a game changer for many people. Whether you're looking to buy a new home, invest in a property, or simply find a great deal, Ally often has some of the best offers on the market. But knowing when those transfers are posted can be a bit of a mystery. Main content. Understanding Ally's posting schedule. There's no strict, fixed schedule for Ally transfer posts. However, based on observations and user experiences, we can identify some patterns and trends. Weekday versus weekend. Weekdays, Ally typically posts more transfers during weekdays compared to weekends. This is likely due to increased activity and a higher volume of listings available. Weekends, while fewer transfers are posted on weekends, there can still be some significant listings. Keep an eye out, especially on Saturday mornings. Time of day. Morning, Ally tends to release a significant number of transfers in the morning, particularly between 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. This is when many people start their day and are actively searching for new opportunities. Afternoon, there can be additional waves of transfers posted in the afternoon, although the volume may be lower compared to the morning. Evening, while less common, some transfers might be posted in the evening, especially if there are any last-minute deals or updates. Seasonal variations. Peak seasons. During peak real estate seasons, spring and summer, Ally may see an increase in transfer postings. This is due to higher demand and more listings becoming available. Off-peak seasons. During off-peak seasons, fall and winter, the volume of transfers might be lower. However, there can still be some great deals to be found. Specific events. Holidays, Ally may adjust its posting schedule around holidays. For example, there might be fewer transfers posted on major holidays or the day before. Economic events. Significant economic events, such as interest rate changes or market fluctuations, can also impact Ally's transfer activity. Tips for maximizing your chances of finding a great transfer. Set up alerts. Ally often allows you to set up alerts for specific types of transfers or locations. This can help you stay informed and receive notifications as soon as new listings become available. Check regularly. Even if you have alerts set up, it's still a good idea to check Ally's transfer page regularly. You might come across hidden gems or time-sensitive deals that don't trigger alerts. Be patient. Finding the perfect Ally transfer can take time. Don't get discouraged if you don't find what you're looking for right away. Keep searching and be patient. Consider alternative sources. While Ally is a great place to start, don't limit your search to just Ally. Explore other real estate websites and platforms to increase your chances of finding the ideal transfer. Conclusion. Asterisk. While there is no guaranteed formula for predicting Ally transfer post times, understanding the general patterns and tips mentioned in this video can significantly improve your chances of finding the perfect transfer. Remember, patience and persistence are key. Call to action. Have you had any luck finding great Ally transfers? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips and tricks. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.